Dream Vision Film Production, the rebirth of African movies.
I can see you, daughters of the dead.
You are one without sight. How are you able to see us?
Your voices! Even the bullfrog detests it. Now leave! Leave the land of the living! For this part wasn't apportioned to you by Osebuluwa. Leave!
She's the one! She's the one with the mark of Osebuluwa!
It's about to begin. The gods will soon walk among mortals. The seed of humanity will be liberated from the shackles of Oniro. I see hope and freedom. I see peace after chaos. I see life after famine and death. Osebuluwa, great obeisance to you for remembering humans in our great moment of despair.
Push, Ihoma, push! You must try and push a little harder. Yes, the baby's coming out. Push! I've seen the baby's head. Push! Keep trying, Ihoma. Push! It's coming out. I've seen the head. Push! A little harder.
It is said, when the vultures gather to feast on a living person, the gathering is in vain. But you, the vultures, has gathered to feast on you while you still breathe.
Great one, how do you mean? How do you mean that the vultures gather to feast on me?
I warned you of a seed that will bring your end, Ozurumba. I told you to find her and bring her to my shrine as sacrifice. Instead of you to look for her, you were slumbering in the bosom of maidens while your end approached. Now the seed has arisen from the earth. The child is born.
Great one, the hunter's search for an animal only becomes successful when he returns home with one. I have searched everywhere, trying to locate her hut. But all to no avail. Help your supplicant. Find the seed. Find the seed.
Send your men to Amangale. There the child breathes.
I will dispatch my men to go to Amangale Kingdom and kill every newborn baby from 2 years down. God!
Please, do not take my baby. Do not kill me, please.
Hold your peace, woman. Hold your peace.
My baby! My baby! My baby!
Why do you men seek to uproot the great orgy tree at the doorpost of the gods? I blessed Annie for granting me the chance to behold you. I thank Oseburuwa for giving me the chance to see you.
Where is the child? I don't know. Where is the child? I said I don't know. What just happened? I don't know what happened.
I'm asking you.
Sorry, my lord, we had the child, but then something happened.
But what?
And
what? But what?
My lord.
What happened? Say it.
A great force attacked us and we lost her.
What? What?
As consistent as the waterfall of Akosa stream, you keep failing. And your doom is near.
Great one. Great one. Please help. You just have to find her.
May mortal who cannot do the works of men seek to involve the spirits?
Are the spirits not men? And the men not spirit? I, your supplicant, implore you to assist.
That which you seek, only you can find it.
Sorrow is never to be unending, son of the earth.
Peace to you, great one.
You speak and wish me peace.
Yet, peace has eluded your eyes. Does the ugly caterpillar not become the beautiful butterfly? Why soil the earth with your tears?
Apologies, Great One, if I have stirred up the anger of the spirits.
Apologies not needed. Are spirits not men, and men spirits? Speak forth and let the spirits hear, though they understand the language of silence.
Great One, I have not come here to lament to anyone.
Your heart is pure, but heavy. Peace will soon find you, son of the leopard. Peace will soon find you. Keep faith and hope alive.
How long do you seek to dwell in sorrow over the death of Okoro and the family? Season has passed, and yet your heart is still trapped in darkness. I watch my son every day, hoping that one day the sun will shine on your face again.
Maybe he awaits the river to flow uphill before he realizes that whatever is happening to us has been detected. Blessed day, Mother.
Blessed day, Obiko.
No. I am sorry I failed you. I feel sad. I feel guilty, knowing fully well that I have not fulfilled the promise I made to Okoro.
And how can you fulfill the promise when you are trapped in the sorrow of darkness? Ibiam.
You know where to find me. No. I will see you when I get back.
Because of our land. Do not allow me to be a slave. Just look at him.
Me too, because of the land.
Wait. What is it? Okay. Yes. We need to go. Take me back to the cave. We are not alone here. Let's go. Well, it's just the two of us here.
What is it? Why can't you pass through?
The gods are protecting her. Yes. Each time we are this close in capturing her, she seems miles away. Don't you see? Blind girl. She ran more than us. She ran more than us.
If not for old time's sake, I would have slit your throat for being a coward. It took our Lord 20 seasons to find this maiden. And now you want us to return and tell him what?
Ogidi. Ogidi. The entrance is sealed by the gods. Don't you think we have to fall back to our Lord for him to help us? Stay back.
Hasn't Hero finally found her?
Bring her to me! Listen, I will say this just once. Open the cave and let me in. Make me say this again,
I shall hang your head on that cave. Over the cave.
Ogigendo, gods of our fathers, please protect your own.
Go get her. Take her.
Go to our land.
Son of Ojako, where are you? You must save me. Where are you, son of Ojako? Help me. Please help me. Omaliko. Omaliko. Omaliko, help me. Omaliko, help me.
Rise up. Rise. She calls for you. Son of Ojiako, grandson of Mbaju, offspring of kings.
What do you mean by she calls? Who is she?
You saw her. Your destiny and hers are intertwined before the creation of the earth.
I still don't understand. She was dying, and I am not a healer. She's here. She's here.
I have long waited for the day she will come. Have you seen why I always tell you to be careful when leaving the cave? But why? Why are we living in fear? Who did our mother offend us, vow to destroy us?
We offended no one.
I am not edible, says the vulture. Yet, I lay my egg on top of the Iroko tree because men should not be trusted. They have Rema. Who are they? What did she even do? She's just blind. My daughter, a lot is happening in the world of men. Do not leave the cave again. As long as you're here, you are safe. Let me go and see what I can do to help her. Have this. I'll be right back.
Zaribes, when the sky rumbles, the profane marvels. What I do not like is when I assure somebody of what I can do, that person goes ahead to doubt my capability of doing that. It is said that termites dwell on the ground with its likes. I am not a termite.
I feed on them.
My king, I'm not doubting your capability. What I'm afraid of, what my brother Obinna will do when you hear of that. You are a fool! You are a fool! A pond that wants to be called a river must first and foremost be ready to accept the shame of a pond. I'm asking you, I thought you are wise enough to know what you seek. Zeribe, leave us. Zeribe, leave! Is she dead?
No, my lord, she's still alive.
Take her in.
When the sky rumbles,
Ibiam, it is only a man whose chi has cursed with madness that challenges Lord Ozurumba to a fight. Ibiam will know that that man is a living evil.
Obike, I know Ozurumba very well. I know him too well. But one thing I do not understand is why I cannot take my mind off that maiden. There is something about her. Something! It seems like we have known each other for a very long time.
Ibiam, you are acting like whose chi has cursed. How can you know that maiden when you have a good heart? And that is why this is happening to you right now.
Obike, do you think that I have... You know what? Forget it.
Ibiam, what is it? Speak to me.
But the wind it changed, the stars turned cold, a shadow rose, fierce and bold. Blades of hatred, flames so high.
You don't understand.
Love to turn.
Why did they took out Ozurumba's heart? Who is she? The vision I had about her before they brought her in was so real. Who is she?
She's the one we must save. She's the chosen of the gods. The one that was foretold before the beginning of time and season.
How do you know about all this? Oh, sorry. I forgot you are the one with the vision too. What do you want me to do?
We must save her before they break the seal that baits the earth of that of the dead. Yes.
How are we going to do this? Lord Ozurumba's chamber is heavily guided. How am I going to save her?
You are a warrior, Omaliko. You have the strength of a lion. Just open yourself and let the gods use you. Open yourself, Omaliko.
Born beneath the ancient sky, marked by fate, the God's own sign.
He who lives in the forest does not fear the breaking of the twine. What is eating the garden egg inside the garden egg?
Whispers in the secret wind. They plucked away for the evil one. He heard, he feared, it swore in blood.
Nne, do you know the blind maiden that lives with Eze Wine this year at the cave?
Eze Wine never had a maid, so no one knows about the maiden. Is anything wrong with her?
Yes.
What?
Yes. She is in trouble. But aside that, each time I set my eyes on her, I always feel like we've known each other for a very long time, though we have never shared a word together before.
Maybe your chi and that of hers have something in common. Anyway, don't worry. I will find out about her identity. You go in and rest. Okay? Go and rest. I will find out tomorrow.
Thank you, Nne.
Go and rest.
Thank you.
Born beneath the ancient sky, marked by fate, the God's own sign. A girl with wisdom.
My Lord, please permit me to help with the load.
Hey, you. Give that load to this dog to carry. You need to rest.
Thank you, my Lord.
Let's go. Apologies, my lord. Omaliko here is just a fool and a weakling. He will only amount to bringing you dishonor to your name, my lord.
My lord, Ibeka is right. Omaliko is a fool and useless. I suggest you give the load to one of the servants.
My lord, please. I promise to give you a hard work and not bring shame to your name.
Keep your promise to yourself. Give that load to another. Stupidity is your highest reputation. Deal with him. Deal with him! Deal with him mercilessly.
My lord, please. My lord. Sorry, please.
Yes. Just exactly the person I expected to see. Ezewine.
Ozurumba, hand the girl over to me, and I will spare your lives.
The cockerel pins the hen in the battle and boasts that the eagle must be the next. Hey, don't let your pride become the poison that will destroy you, old friend.
I know your evil plot, and it will not work.
Don't waste my time.
The toad and the frog may look alike, but the toad is a toad and the frog is a frog. It is only the dog that can work its tail amongst them.
Where are you, son of Ojiako? Please help me. Please help me. Omaliko. Omaliko. Omaliko, please help me.
I don't understand. How can I help you when I do not know you or where you are from? I don't have the power to help you.
You are from the lineage of warriors. You must rise and help me.
I can't.
Rise, son of Ojiako, the son of the great warrior.
I can't. My hands and neck are bound. I can't help you. I can't.
Who is this idiot talking to? Who are you talking to? I'm asking you, idiot. Who are you talking to?
My lord, the lamb is ready for sacrifice. Take the knife from the pot and kill the lamb.
No! Hey! Don't you even dare! Don't you dare! Come.
Udele! Udele! What is going on? Kill her! Kill them!
Come with me!
How dare you? How dare you mock me? Don't you know that a bird that constructs with its beak can equally destroy with that same beak? How dare you mock me?
My lord, I need more days. The rituals will be completed. Give me 2 market days and I shall complete the rituals.
And I will give you 2 market days to accomplish the ritual.
Listen, we need to look for a place where we can rest tonight. Okay?
Okay. I know of a place you can rest.
Why?
I say why? I say why?
Come back, come back!
It's okay. Please, come with me. I know of a place where you can be safe. Let's go. Let's go.
No. The sun is too hot.
Okay.
I need to go inside and sleep.
You go inside and rest. So that in the evening, you can go for your hunting.
I'll do that.
Okay.
I hope you're fine.
Okay.
Greetings, Ekema, the kind woman.
Greetings, Eze Wine. To what do we owe this visit? Because the frog is not always seen at the daytime.
I come for you. Your destiny calls.
How do you mean, Ezewan?
I brought you one, whom you have seek for seasons now. Remember you vowed on the earth to avenge their death. This is Urema. Okoro's child. She's the one with the mark of Oseblowa and a great destiny to fulfill. You have a part to play.
Great one. Who are they? And what does the gods require of me to do?
Abiam. If men tell all they see and know, life will have no meaning. It all started.
Push, push. I'm seeing the baby's head. I'm seeing the baby's head. Push.
I'm trying.
Try more, try more, try more. Push, push, push. Yes, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
I'm tired.
Please don't be tired, don't be tired now.
I cannot do this.
You can. One more time.
They hide their voices in the whispers of shadow. He forgets that I am shadow. The bullfrog laughs, for he is betrayed in the dark of the night, but makes its food for the viper.
It is true that the viper does not struggle for what to eat. It is equally true that the viper smartly flees from a dangerous sin. Udele, the edgeless goddess that feeds on the flesh and blood. Udele, the greatest and the most powerful witch of our time. What do you say?
Ngele, the spiritual custodian of this kingdom, just gave birth to the next king for Igwe Ojako.
And what shall it cost the bird to perch on the same tree with the vulture? What shall I do to avert this situation?
Find him! Kill him! Make sure the child doesn't leave. But so, your powers will be sustained. Not just that, you will live and dine with the gods.
What brings the great masquerade of our land to my heart at the first cockcrow, even before the spirit returns to their word?
There is a word in between night and day. You never can say. Confusion leads the profane astray. I get messages from the birds. I hear them. I interpret their songs. I got an ugly song from a bird that our great Ngele, that is supposed to be sacred and pure, as sacred and pure as the great Omambala River, has carried a child and has given life to that child.
Life?
Life.
Where is this coming from? And who told you such tale?
My king, I told you earlier, air and fire are of the same element, but the air transmits more information than fire. I have bets that bring information to me from the four quarters of the universe, from east, from north, from south, from west. From even beyond the 6 villages of this great kingdom, Oga. Your Majesty, are you saying you are not aware of this?
It is not a news, my king. The gods revealed it to me. Ngele desecrated the temple of Idemili and has to step down, and that includes you.
Udele, are you no longer the high priest of Ayaun?
I am, my king.
When last did Amadioha and other gods intervene in the affairs of Ayaun? We all know that Ngele is pure and sacred. But if what you are saying is true, then I will have to investigate and act accordingly. But until then, let the affairs of the gods be for the gods.
Your Majesty, don't let your ignorance overshadow your vision. Delay is dangerous. This is not a matter you should take lightly. This is a matter you don't take lightly. Hear this, Iwe.
I need to consult my chi to bless my day and that of the people of Uga. So I need to be left alone.
Has it ever happened in the history of our land? No. Has it ever happened that the great Ngele of Idemili should be allowed to be with a man, let alone carrying a child and giving life to such child? Has it happened in the history of this great kingdom, Oga?
But King Ojako denied it to be true.
If this news is true, then Ngele should be stripped of her positions and that child killed.
Completely. That is exactly what I am saying. That child must not live. That child is an evil child. That child is an abomination. If that child is allowed to grow in this kingdom, that child will bring doom and destruction to the land of Agaki.
Ozurumba, you know I have always trusted you in every decision you make. But in this one, we need to tread carefully.
Tread carefully, you mean?
Yes. Ngele has served us faithfully over the season. We need to send words to her. Let her bring the child and hand over to us. Then she can retain her position as the great high priestess of Idemili.
Can I ask you a simple question?
Go on.
What if she refuses?
Yes, we use force because the kingdom is more important than anyone.
The joy began. Lamps of fire, song so bright, dancing feet beneath the night. But the wind it changed, the stars turned cold, a shadow rose, fierce and bold.
Did I not beg the gods to bless me? Even if it's just a child, even if it's just one. I begged, I cried, yet they refused. Auntie Annie, the Mother Earth, decided to take the life of my wife. Now, Idemili has decided to bless me with a child. And they want to kill the child?
My king, you know that what you had with Ngele was not supposed to be.
But yet, they blessed me with a child.
That child is a curse.
My child is not cursed.
I'm sorry, my king. That child is a curse. And that is the truth. Ngele, the great high priestess of Idemili, cannot be with a man, not to talk of carrying a child. And you know it. You know it, my king.
My child is a gift from Oseboloa and Idemili.
Oh, my king. Do not drag the gods into this. The gods are good, and they do not give evil gifts. That child must not live. He must not live. Please, my king, do it for yourself and Ngele. Think of it. What will happen when people hear that Ngele give birth to a child for you? Do you want to lose both of them?
Igwe, Udemba and the people are right. My heart bleeds and tears have dried up from my eyes. I fear for my life and that of my seed. I thought I could keep this child a secret, but now the people knows and they will not stop till they have destroyed him.
Do not say that. I would do anything humanly possible to protect you and my child, even if it takes the last drop of my blood.
How will you do that? Fight the people? No. Maybe the gods hated what we had, and that is why they gave us this curse.
Woman, mind your words. My child is not cursed. If the gods were wise enough, why would they have allowed me to fall in love with you, seal the womb of my late wife, and then decided to grace your womb with a child? Why? Do not say that. Ucheleku, Ucheleku. Where is he? Ucheleku. Oh. Ucheleku.
Igwe.
Please.
What brings you to my hut?
All is not well. All is not well. I need your help. And this is very important to me. You are my last hope. Please help me.
Igwe, please. The walls have ears. Even the breeze, the wind, they leave everything, they all have ears. Please, can we go to mine?
Right away, right away.
Igwe.
The drums had called, the voices sang, a child was born, the joy began. Lamps of fire.
Peace be unto you, daughter of Annie.
You heard how the gods cursed me amongst the living.
Igujuku sent me here for the child. His destiny is written in the walls of the gods long before remembering. He is the sentinel of an old prophecy that must be fulfilled. For he is the last hope of mankind.
You know the people will not stop until they sort him out and kill him.
I know, and that is why I am here for the child. The plot to kill him has been finalized, and by dawn they will come seeking for his blood to stain the dust of the earth. Give him to me, and I promise to keep him safe.
Please, keep him safe. I do not know the plans the gods have for him, but keep him safe, because his father deserves a child amongst men.
I, Ucheleku, promise to keep him safe.
Wait, where are you taking him to?
That you do not need to know. For as long as the gods live, when the child grows, he will find his way back to you.
My son, may the gods protect you.
Igwe.
And how is it doing?
Igwe. The fever has refused to break down. I suggest we send for Okonta or send words to Engele.
No. No. I would rather prefer Okonta.
Igwe.
Okonta, here is my son. He has been down with fever for the past 2 market days, and it has refused to go down. Please, what can be done?
Excuse me.
My king, this is Akum Anyocha. It has eaten all over him.
Eaten all over him? Okonta, what can be done? You must do something.
Please excuse me. I need some privacy.
I will not leave by his side.
It's okay. Privacy you get.
Born beneath the ancient sky, marked by fate, the God's own sign. A girl with wisdom, your heart so pure. The young man with fire, the storm's own roar. Whispers in the secret wind. They plucked away for the evil one. He heard, he feared, it swore in blood to silence them, to please the gods.
And how is he doing?
His tree stands firmly beside him, for he is strong and healthy, my king.
I prayed to the gods to let him live, and they heard my prayers. Now I must keep him alive and save him from the vultures that wants to eat him alive. I must save him.
What do you think you are doing, Udemba? You dare betray your friend, our Lord Osrumba. Hey, do not come near me.
Udemba, please, you must protect my child. No matter what it costs, please, I beg you.
My king, We must leave now. Uzurumba and his men will soon head this way.
I know. My son has a great destiny to be fulfilled. Please save him.
My king, I promise keeping you safe, and that's what I intended doing. We must go now.
I am grateful. Please, hold this.
Promise
you have to go now.
Safe.
Please,
and that's what I intend doing.
I'm grateful. Please go.
Where is he?
And what are you going to do?
Go in there. Sash, bring them out. Bring them out!
It's locked.
Go to the back. Go back!
They are nowhere to be found.
There!
Icheleku,
we need to rest.
Okay.
We need to rest. Icheleku, they are here.
The day is deeper than shadow. Get that little boy and his sword. Hold on. The daylight is deeper than its shadow. Move. The day is deeper than shadow.
The gods walk precept by precept. They, in their wisdom, allowed Don Maliko to be captured. Even when he grew up as the finest warrior Oga has ever seen. The gods did so that they will know when Urema is brought in.
Great one. What do you want me to do now?
Your task is to keep Urema alive. Protect her by all means. You will escort her to the cave of the fallen kings. There, you will retrieve a sword that will destroy Uzurumba.
I have searched for you everywhere. Little did I know that you are here in Oga. I thought they have taken you across the 7 mountains.
Thank you for waiting for me. I am Uremma, offspring of Osipolowa.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
The earth has spoken, the skies rejoice. The wind sings with a mighty voice. All the chains are broken, the night has fled. The tyrant lies among the dead. No more sorrow.
Omaliko, son of Ojako. Ibiam, son of Uduma. The gods calls.
What did they say?
Great one, you promised to help me locate her and stop her.
I have not changed my mind. In 2 nights, you and I will journey to the land of the dead. There, I will summon the daughters of the dead. Their powers are unmatched. They will help you find her.
And where is this land of the dead?
My lord, that which you will see here, you will take it to your grave.
I promise there is nothing the eyes will see and gush blood. Raise them.
Who seek to uproot Oji tree from the doorway of the great deity?
Does the deity thrive without its supplicants? Or the obscenes not the food for gods? I, Udele, the seed of Ubori, seek your help, daughters of the dead.
If an Oji tree loses its efficacy, then it is of no use to the deity it is supposed to protect.
Speak, seed of Ubori. Why did you call us to the land of men? Shall we rain death on all living things?
It is not I that seek your help, but your supplicants, Lord Ozurumba.
Say that which you desire.
Oh, great one, please help. Help me find Uremma, the one with the mark of Oseboloa.
it. Because your face looks like someone who death stares at in the face.
Death is here among us.
Death?
I must find Urema and warn her.
No.
I can see you, daughters of the dead.
You are one without sight. How are you able to see us?
Your voices! Even the bullfrog detests it. Now leave! Leave the land of the living! For this part wasn't apportioned to you by Osebuluwa. Leave!
She's the one! She's the one with the mark of Osebuluwa!
Did you feel it too? Yes. Ozurumba is trying so hard to possess the power of immortality.
What do we do now that the dead are here amongst us?
Nothing.
Come. Easy. Easy. Easy.
We will only hope on Osebuluwa and the other gods.
In that case, let's go back to the hut.
Okay.
Let's go. This way.
Udele, any news from them yet?
They must have found her. Though, not yet. But
You summoned us to find one whose paths with the four deities are intertwined. Her path is as pure as the early morning bed of Occam stream.
she's pure, yes, I know. But her blood, that, the dark goddess of the earth, demands to grant him immortality. And as his supplicant, you owe him that duty.
We will only tell where to find her, and that will end our pact. We do not want to enrage Osebuluwa.
What?
Are you sure she's here?
Yes, she is. I feel her pulse and I sense her presence. Kill whoever stands on your way. Kill anyone.
Any further step will be your last.
Maliko, Ozurumba saved your life and that of your lover, Machi. He spared you when he was supposed to have killed you. Why don't you show how grateful you are and hand the maiden to them?
The dead have a different story to tell from the living. Leave here this minute, else you will lose your life.
I will get the medal. You invited the locusts to a feast. Yet, you accuse it of ravaging what it cherishes the most. Now listen. Tell your king that this maiden is coming for him. Get out. Listen. We have to leave this place. Here is no longer safe. Come with me. Let's go.
How could you?
Father, please stop. My lord, please stop. No one has ever killed his chi because of his enemies. Please.
And my chi can never allow such shame to come to me. No fowl swallows a needle and lives to tell the story. I am Lord Ozurumba. No one dares me.
Spare my life.
I've spoken, the skies rejoice. The wind sings with almighty voice.
This is the one.
All the chains are broken.
A man with a large control does not boast of his external powers. Please go with them. I will manage with my family. Please. Please.
Is the one.
Yes.
That's right. The less people you go with, the better this mission. But know this. You will always have my sword.
And mine too.
Listen. You have a pact with her. So pick up your sword and go with us.
Go with them, Ibiam. I will stay back and protect Mama. And also eat enough of her porridge.
Please go.
Go. Go. Let's go. Go. Go.
Ibiam, go.
He sought the blood of the chosen two.
What is the meaning of this? Get your blind self out of my way, lest I feed your carcass to the birds of the forests.
Zeribe. The goat thinks he's soiling his master's wall by rubbing his skin on his wall, not knowing it will soon start peeling off.
He is Ozurumba's most loyal guard.
I know who he is, and I know how his end will be. Let's go.
The skies rejoice. The wind wind sings with almighty voice. All the chains are broken, the night has fled. The tyrant lies among the dead. No more.
Let's go.
And where is this?
This is the place of the fallen. It is protected with magic. Only those that are found worthy that it opens itself to. Let's go. We will be safe here.
But I'm not here to hide. That is not why I came to the land of men.
We are not hiding. We just want to protect the royal home. Let's go.
Thank the gods you are alive. Thank the God for keeping you alive. Mother, I received your message and I prepared it.
So this place is real. Just the way I saw it in my dreams.
Please sit down.
Has spoken, the skies rejoice. The wind sings with almighty voice. All the chains are broken, the night has fled. The tyrant lies among the dead. No more sorrow, no more pain. The gods have cleansed the land again. The rivers dance, the trees bow low. For justice reigns, let it flow.
Omaliko. Ibiam. Let us go.
Where are you going to?
To do the work of my father, Annie.
Just two of them? It is dangerous, my daughter.
It is not just both of them. I will send for OBK. And do not worry, Ezewine. I promise to be back soon.
Ibiam, please, take care of her.
Ozurumba! When a mad dog chases an unarmed man, it severs the false feeling of being a wolf. Your end is near. Return Uga's throne back to its rightful owner.
A profane dwells in the dark by mere hope. And a mystic sees far beyond the scope. I wouldn't know the lies some Maliko must have told you. But you are not supposed to be here in the first place.
Can one withhold the day from breaking? Can one tell the sun not to break when it's due?
Guts! Get her for me! Listen to me. The monkeys and the squirrels can have a display up there on the trees, believing that that is their kingdom. They know they are strangers on this earth, for the earth remains a mystery to the mortal. Guts! Bring her to me. And if you understand by your ways, kill anyone.
Stop! I am seed of Osebuluwa. Do not touch a strand from his hair, son of Ojiako.
These ones will not hesitate to cut off your head once they have the opportunity.
And you wish to be like him, son of Ojiako? I ask.
No.
Hey! Return to your families and live a better life. Now!
When a man possesses the venom of a cobra, the strength and subtleness of a tiger, the swiftness of an eagle, and the cunningness of a tortoise, such a man is not only destined to rule amongst men, but also to wine and dine with the very gods of the land. Ozurumba,
Dibia,
I will make you king. Not just a king, but the greatest king amongst all men. Aye, Dibia, I promise you that.
And I thank you so much.
Ozurumba,
Dibia,
a path does not remain a path if no one walks on it. And the journey to the stream does not begin when the pitcher is filled with water, but when the pitcher is empty. Ozurumba, this land and her people have turned against you.
Yes, I know they have turned against me. And it is all because of that prediction of Udele. The child is coming, and that child will hurt me. That child has come, and that child wants to hurt me. I want you, Dibi, I want you to trace that child and destroy that child.
Ozurumba, come with me. Come with me and I will show you how it will all end. Come.
Ichie, I don't understand why you are bowing down to me. I am a slave and do not deserve the honor you are giving me.
Amaliko, we have wronged you. Believed a lie that was said against you. We made another man the king instead of following our tradition. Please, the great warrior for our land. Our land and the people in it needs you back.
The partridge thinks itself a peacock, and the pigeon urges it on.
Omaliko, why bother yourself with the things the gods has already taken care of? Does the spittle speak?
when the ocean roars?
How dare you? Little maiden! How dare you call me a spittle? You wait! Wait! Let the foolish worm until you become male to the cockerel. I am Dibia, the eye of the gods of the mountains.
And I am Urimma, seed of Osepuluwa, daughter of Ani. I am the first of the creation, and I will be the last when the earth ceases to be. So how dare you, seed of the rejected, stand in my path, the path of Ani? How dare you?
The ancient sky are marked by fate, the God's own sign. A girl with wisdom, your heart so pure. The young man with fire.
My king, who would have ever thought that after the long battle in Oga Kingdom, that we would live to experience this day as husband and wife? Who?
Omalicha. The most beautiful one. Akugum. Omuma Sarum.
My king.
I am happy that the gods bless me with a woman of peace. A woman that has known me to be a slave, yet she accepts to be with me. I pray that my chi and my ancestors will always bless our union.
You see. Thank you.
Thank you, Malicha.
Through the valleys, through the trees, the shadows chase, the spirit frees. Yet the earth, the rivers near, and these were the ones, the chosen two. The elders cried, the kingdom shook, for their end will break the yoke. Yet the tyrant raged in fear and pride, to stop the dawn and let darkness rise.